I'd like to take a second and talk to you about the Fanttik air pump, which is fantastic. A while back when we shoot our first commercial, they were so popular they sold out, but now they're back in stock. They're very, very, very handy, especially if I have a flat tire on the parking lot, instead of driving it on the rim, or because I don't have a air tank. This one works awesome. You just plug it in, wait a few minutes, it gets enough air to bring the car inside. So to me, this is a lifesaver. It's a must. So basically you can program it to whatever PSI you want to, plug it in, walk away, do something else while the tire fills up. I mean, it's pretty quiet and it works great. Couldn't say enough about it. Before we talk about this car, I'd like to thank you about the last video, the comments. Car drives great. And to answer some of your questions, my wife does not like to be on camera. So that's a no-no for her. This is the 2002 Z8 owned by Hoovy. He brought it here for oil leaks and to install the strut tower brace, which this car never had one. The reason we have to do that is because the whole chassis is aluminum, and when you hit like a pothole, this strut tower bulges up or cracks. So we're gonna do it as a preventive maintenance, pretty much. Just finished changing the valve cover gaskets, both sides, and both power steering lines from the reservoir. Cleaned everything up. So right now we're gonna measure and drill some holes for the brace. Yeah, I know this is a quarter or over $250,000 car. Yeah, I'm gonna try to be as careful as I can. This one is a special order from BMW. I ordered by VIN number specific. I wish it came with more hardware, so I had to buy the hardware separately. So this part is super easy to change. Goes just like that. And this one prevents the strut tower from cracking and looking like a dome. This one started to kind of go up a little bit. You can tell by the shape of the brace. So, good job, Hoovy, you cut it on time. Okay, we're gonna hold it, and we're gonna mark this crap. Okay, so you're gonna hold it, try to go as center as you can, like this. I mean, right now you're looking really good. Just need to come, like right here is perfect for me. Are you good right there?
It's a little off, but it's pretty centered.
I mean, it doesn't matter. We still have plenty of room, so
I'm
gonna
good.
hold it very steady. No pressure. It's only a $250,000 car.
That's okay. Maybe I should get one of these for my Dakota.
Maybe. Perfect. Thank you, Ben.
No problem.
The center punch, it's spring loaded, helps kind of guide the drill bit. How about that? Very weird angle. There it goes.
Perfect right here.
Still perfect right here.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is it. It's all back together. Not bad at all. The part I don't like this one, I hope they designed it, I mean, they should have designed it a little bit different to where you can remove just this one, because everything you need to do now on the car, you have to remove the headlights, you have to remove the airbox in order to remove the brace. That's the downside. But always, if you have to do one, measure twice, cut once. This one went really smooth. It's pretty solid, so but put the headlights on, go for a test drive, and call Tyler, have him swap it for the M5. And off we go. And those lifters are loud. Time to clear the lifters. Should we piss off the viewers? Go through the car wash drive-thru?